The colon helps flush out poisons and waste from our body. It helps keep the body's electrolyte adjust by retaining essential salt, sodium, and water. While consistent solid discharge helps in wiping out waste and lethal materials from the body, it is as yet critical to rinse the colon frequently to expel caught poisons that connected themselves to the colon dividers. At the point when the colon isn't scrubbed completely, the development of poisons in the colon dividers can trigger well-being conditions, for example, the runs, stoppage, colds, cerebral pains, weakness, acid reflux, joint torment, sensitivities, memory misfortune, stress, and vision issues. Colon purifying truly implies cleaning and expelling the caught poisons from your colon. There are additionally natural cures that you can do at home. 1. Eat vegetables and fruits that are high in fiber. Vegetables are exceptionally powerful in wiping out caught waste and poisons from our colon. Leafy foods that are rich in fiber help keep our colon white by flushing out poisons frequently. It is critical to have fiber-rich natural products, for example, apples, raspberries, prunes, pears, and so on, and vegetables, for example, broccoli, spinach, artichoke, peas, and so forth. In your day-by-day slim down. By eating these consistently, you are as of now keeping the development of poisons in your colon. 2. Triphala herbal treatment. Triphala is a characteristic purgative. The linoleic oil, vitamin C, phospholipids, and bioflavonoids exhibit in Triphala invigorates solid discharge and advances the end of poisons and waste from our body. To utilize it, simply blend a glass of water and a tablespoon of Triphala. Drink it before anything else. 3. Ocean salt. This cure isn't for individuals who have hypertension or other heart conditions. Ask your doctor first. Fill a vacant glass with water, pour the substance in a pot, and let it bubble. As the water is bubbling, place in a tablespoon of ocean salt and let it heat up some more. Following a couple of moments, put the pot aside and let to cool for a bit. Gradually taste the water. You'll feel somewhat sick subsequent to tasting the salt dilute, so lie and rest. You will then want to go to the solace room. Get enough rest amid the rest of the hours of the day. Hence, it is better to do this cure amid the end of the week. 4. Apples. You likely heard it innumerable circumstances, an apple daily keeps the specialist away. New apples are powerful in disposing of caught poisonous materials in our colon. Treat yourself to a glass of new squeezed apple when you get up early in the day. Pursue it down with a glass of warm water after. By drinking no less than 3 to 4 glasses of crisp squeezed apple every day, you enhance your waste end and solid discharge. 5. Water. It is imperative that we hydrate ourselves every day so the distinctive organs in our body can work appropriately. The prescribed day-by-day admission of water is 8 to 10 glasses. By drinking enough water, you are reinvigorating the regular peristaltic activity of your colon, which at that point enables it to work typically. You may likewise drink new vegetable and organic product juices, coconut water, new lemon juice, and so on. Attempt to avoid soft drinks and colas.